So Dan, I just kicked off a cloud recording too, just so that you know. So I'm going to record the conference in a virtual meeting now. So just wanted to let you know. Never like to start recording on anybody without telling them immediately. It's not fair.
Yeah, that's good. I'll make sure not to do anything like that. Yeah.
Thanks, man. I'll keep my sailor language to a minimum.
There you go.
Hey Dan, how we doing?
Yeah, pretty good. Nothing, nothing out of the ordinary. I mean, our receive bandwidth is dropping down a little bit, but it picks right back up.
Now, you may be dropping a little on your receive from me because I'm in a wireless situation here. And
That's what I figured.
So
Yeah.
that's possible.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so I may be modulating a little with what I send you. But the experience here is great. If you could just maybe give me a little motion for a moment.
Yeah. Yep.
Awesome. Can you use the phone and just zoom the camera into you a little bit?
Yeah. Sure.
Great.
So, are you seeing my video?
Yeah, I didn't get that either.
I'm giving you back the you see my video?
Super. Are you logged into the system now, Dan, on your browser?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm.
Could you navigate to the maintenance tab?
Sure.
And let's look at adjusting that camera. Let's go to your camera settings.
Restart your.
On the preference or maintenance tab?
Sorry, maybe it's preferences.
Okay.
And look for the camera, the primary camera. I want to change the white balance setting a little bit.
Sure. Let's see.
I'm going to just tell you that
Oh, so just the, no, it's the
I don't see a tab for camera.
So it's in one of the odd spots. Is it in maintenance? No, it's not maintenance. What are the other tabs?
Diagnostics.
Diagnostics.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. Thank you. Sorry.
No problem. White balance, okay.
Yeah. Let's try one of those indoor filters. Something a little cooler than what it is now. And where it says you have a choice of full frame, let's go to manual full frame.
Mm-hmm.
And then take the brightness slider and slide it all the way to the right.
Okay. Okay.
And you'll hit the save. And you'll hit the save button.
Okay, so I gave you the.
There you go.
We have the on screen.
Little blue. So there's another white filter there, right next to it. Let me try a couple of them.
Sure.
Door one and door two. It's brighter, anyways. I'm happy with the brightness now.
Bring the.
Yeah, this room has that,
See that?
sun shining right in through the windows.
We got a little green there. Which one's that?
This is white fluorescent.
Okay. What are the other choices up top there?
First
two or three.
First two or three, white fluorescent, cool white fluorescent, outdoor, TL84 fluorescent, Incandescent,
Let's go to the white fluorescent.
white fluorescent.
No, I was at the same thing.
Let's see.
Yep.
And that's probably where it was. It's a little warm. Just
Yeah.
try the incandescent. Just try the incandescent for me.
Sure.
Right. You need to tell them that you need to work with your collaboration.
That's green.
Yeah.
There you go. So if we go back to what was the second one down, the
Second one down was cool white fluorescent.
that's probably gonna be the winner.
Okay.
Their address is part
And
of
then
the
what you
building.
might do is
I can adjust the color
just
temperature.
a, yeah, just a touch. Maybe just one slide left or one, whatever that is.
On where they're located. Because if they
Just a
have
tiny
that
touch.
information, you'd be able to figure out who's the collaboration.
You hit the save. There you go. Ooh, I like that. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep, that's better. That's better.
That works.
Good flesh tone. It's a little brighter. The image is brighter. Now let's zoom
Yeah.
back out again.
Mm-hmm.
And if you zoom back out, we'll get the whole table.
Sure.
And so let's make a good preset for that table. If you bring it in just a bit
I would say, missing
and up a little bit,
collaboration with
a little bit more. That's good. Maybe just zoom one tiny bit more. Okay. So if you press and hold the preset button 1,
Yep.
it'll beep for you.
There it is.
Now hit the 0. Yeah, so the 0 always brings you back to center, and if you hit the 1, there we go.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, good. I'm pretty satisfied with this from an experience standpoint. I mean, we've been on now for a while. I can track the amount of time. I'm going to stop the recording here for a moment, but pretty satisfied with this. What I'll do with you, so your laptop, is it plugged into the network right now?
It is. Yeah. Yep.
So let's have you join this call on your laptop, would you? So if you launch the Lifesize client, you can join as a guest,
Yep.
and you can ring Mothership directly and just accept the call on Mothership. So the extension, actually, I'm sorry, you'll call into the VMR that I gave you.
Right. Yeah.
That one's.
I'm going to do the same with a
Sure.
Okay, so it's just grant. Okay.
mobile client as well.
Okay. What's that?
Awesome, thank you. And then if you just
No
mute
problem.
your laptop.
Yes.
Whoever created the page created it wrong because
And I'll do the same in
US
one
it's
sec.
BGMs in
I'm still
Europe, they
recording
have
this, so we have a good
BGMs,
recording of this
they
experience
just
as well.
work in their terms.
Cool.
Well, it's generic because it's worldwide. So,
Yeah, they wouldn't have totally different.
but in the US, we only refer to this
Yeah.
Joining the meeting.
Lost you.
I'll be back in just 1 second. I have to log back in on the other side.
Sure. Yeah. Yep.
So if I'm coming
We'll let that go just a few minutes and
Okay.
See that fall.
capture a few more stats.
I would say that's, it's again.
Yeah, so I'm directly on their network, no wireless or anything else running.
Awesome. That video's great.
If you're going to enter it into the onboarding dashboard for them, then you're going to probably want to list it as your vehicle.
I just dropped my guest user connection. I really just wanted to bring in a guest per se, so we had a couple guest users. And, yeah, documentation of that. Yeah.
And we want to be sure that those guys are.
Just gonna get my stats window back up. Good.
So that's, so my first.
I'm recording my desktop, so it'll be easy later. I can just go back and grab a frame whenever I want. So it'll be simple.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah. And I'm recording the video,
created-
so I have a real video recording too. So.
Sure. Yeah. I created a Word doc with the software versions. I can send that to you.
Great. Thank you.
Not a problem.
Now on your laptop, if you want to, from your desktop, share content with me real quick, you want to do that? Just send it back so we see what that, make sure that experience is good. So this is testing a remote client connected with the on-site icon and desktop share. Great. Perfect.
Got that?
Spot on.
We want to, so again, because you're now, you're
It's good.
associated with the US.
Yep. I'm able to make your screen full screen.
All of a sudden, I'm looking at.
Awesome.
You.
Have you seen that little slider? So here, I'm gonna take over. I'm gonna stop. Yeah. So I'm gonna now send you my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I'm sending you my screen, do you see how there's a little slider in between where you can grab
Yeah.
and drag? Isn't that
Yeah.
cool? See,
That
you
is
go
cool.
like, it's nice. So if you're on kind of a long ball training and you really want to maximize content, but somebody asks you a question, it's an easy way to just sort of grab and slide. And,
I like that. That's good.
yeah, it's nice.
Very simple.
Cool little things.
You just reply back, say, Barry, I'm not responsible for Spark. I think Joe covered this on the knowledge power hour last Thursday.
All right, cool.
So if you have any more questions regarding Spark.
So you know what? Let's do this for the last part of this test.
Because otherwise.
I'm real happy with how the icon is. I've just felt no disruption in service whatsoever. It just feels rock solid and it feels like just a smooth, good. I mean, again, we're in the cloud. We're using the cloud here, so this is not on-prem. We're using the internet. I feel really good about how the room's behaving. So let's drop the room, but have you stay on, right? I'm going to have you stay on your laptop. That way we can transition out of the room right into just a mobile experience.
Not a problem.
Awesome.
For the same part, if that makes sense. Because that just means I'm looking at twice the email for stuff I already covered for them, once already.
Perfect. Thank you.
It's, I get a little frustrated when I'm repeating myself.
So you'll probably have to unmute on your
Repeat myself.
laptop now, and I'll hear you.
Just so that
Yep.
Got it. Solid. Thank you.
No problem.
Just tilt your camera down just a little bit of your screen up. That's perfect. There you go. Yep, that takes the light. Get a good background. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So one thing that I'm in the process of doing, so obviously here's.
Yeah, this is going to help.
You're taking that stuff into.
We can come to some good conclusions with this. This is going to help a lot.
Ultimately.
You think so? Yeah.
I think what I was feeling the other day is the experience they were having it really did feel like it had something to do with the host PC. It was just behaving wrong. Something was, it was not accommodating the video experience whatsoever. Not like this. This is how it's supposed to be. So, and I think that if Denise and Susan are able to see and experience this, I think this is all they're asking for. They just, this is the experience they were looking for. So, yeah, this will be very helpful for them to see it inside their organization, or somebody who just came in with a laptop that, just predisposed. So you're using a guest connection, as far as Lifesize.
I'm just wired into their conference connection. So whatever this network is on the table, then.
I mean to Lifesize, so you're not there's no secret sauce. There's no, you're coming in just like anybody else would. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
And I've got good, I got almost 2 megs download, so that's good.
Perfect. That may really change the experience at Stern Strategy as well. If they're using wireless and they're having a real hard time with it, perhaps switching over to a hardwired solution in the rooms that they're working in would make a big difference. To me, this feels great. I'd be going for this every time. If I was going to do an interview with somebody or whatever that is, having it hardwired like this would be spot on.
Perfect.
Yeah. So that might make a difference.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mute my video, camera goes off. Unmute, camera goes on. See that? Even with a webcam, my little Logitech webcam, look at this. That's not a pan-tilt zoom camera, but Lifesize, Lifesize built some interesting software into their implementation with Logitech that allows you to do a little bit of.
So it fakes it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a
like
digital, what do they call it? A digital zoom or something?
Digital zoom, yeah.
Kind of neat.
So hopefully once I get access, I will get you access.
All right, I'm going to stop the recording, I think, at this point. Let me grab maybe just a few more call statistics while we're here.
Would it make sense to have Denise join in from her laptop?
At this point in the conversation, perhaps it would just to. I don't really want to get into a full discussion with Denise about it right now because I want to make a clear analysis for her. But if it's easy enough for her to just sort of jump in for a moment, I think it would be good to have a recording of that.
Yeah, she's right around the corner. I'll talk to her.
Super. You have the VMR number, Dan, if you need it.
I do, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, man.
Well, so we covered that on last Wednesday's training. What do I need to do to sell Spark and onboard you for trying that?
So I hooked up my laptop onto the network over a network cable, and it came in no problems. Okay. Hey, Alex. Denise is here. Just one moment.
Cool. Hi, Denise.
Hi.
Can we get you a network connection?
You're using it.
Yeah.
You don't have any.
So, Denise, do you guys usually work wirelessly, or do you usually plug in your laptops when you walk around with them?
Either one.
Either one. So, like the other day when we made those calls, were you wireless or were you plugged in? Do you remember?
Wireless.
Wireless, okay. Just trying to work backwards from an engineering standpoint in terms of what variables we have moving forward. So,
Is there another network connection here now?
I'm in my house for my phone, but that's the phone.
Yeah, it looks like, Alex, we only have one network connection in here, wired network connection.
right.
So if I disconnect, yeah,
I'll
you'll
wait
lose
for
me.
you.
Okay,
That's all right. Yeah, I'll just wait right here. I'll be in that virtual meeting room. Yep.
not a problem.
Cool.
And actually, I can probably go into the other conference room because there's a network drop there, and I can connect to my laptop, and we can have all three of us on the call. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Okay.
All right,
Thanks, man.
we'll be right back.
Got it.
Thank you. I will. Just let me know. Yes.
Thanks, Dan.
You're welcome.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Denise.
Dan's just going next door.
Okay.
I know it's dark.
Do I have your camera on?
Yep.
I'm getting just darkness from you.
Yeah, I know. I see that. No. That.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, Dan. Denise's camera's gone a little wonky. Maybe you could take a peek at that for her, would you?
Sure. Yep. That's weird.
Pretty much frozen. That's what happened last time. The same thing happened as last week when I
Yeah.
froze after I started it, and now my screen's frozen, so it's not working.
I don't know what's up
Yeah.
with that, huh? Yeah. That's troubling, Denise. Yeah.
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 So, and I just told one of my VPs to download the app again. And if she has the same problem, it's going to be more of an issue.
Well, yeah, we're clearly having some sort of an incompatibility with the host, the way it's set up. That's 100% sure. There's something wrong with using the application on that laptop. You know, we can get right down to it this way. You know.
Doesn't change.
Mm-hmm.
No. Yeah, it's still frozen and black. And he changed I had to put the camera on, and it's not working.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Dan, while you're there, can you just capture even if with your iPhone or something, but just a little bit of stat information on that computer, the model number, and
Sure.
yeah. Even if I just have the model number, it'd be fine. Denise, does everybody in the company use the same model computer? Is everybody using kind of the same laptops?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. I just got mine last week, but I tested this with
They're
you.
brand new.
Yeah, after I got it on Thursday or Friday, and you were able to see me with no problem.
Sure.
But then
Yeah.
it just froze after using the app twice, and then you saw through the
Yeah.
web. It wasn't working either.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. So just bring it in. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll join you guys in a moment.
Yeah. Yeah, so our bandwidth over here, Denise is close to 2 megs.
Yeah, it's definitely something going on with that laptop. Do you want to restart it real quick, or you probably have a bunch of apps open? I don't want to do that to you, Denise, if you don't want to restart. But
No, that's fine.
you sure? Okay.
Yeah,
All right. I didn't want to disrupt
that's okay.
break your
We'll drop
desktop.
off there.
Okay. Thanks.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hmm.
And just trying to back and prepare some. I think Brian just jumped on sometime after.
Spirit.
Yeah. But his screen is even frozen too.
Is it?
Yeah, like I can't see that man moving at all.
He might just be sitting there.
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, mine's frozen with you in it, and it's black again.
That makes sense.
And didn't ask me to do anything because I installed this app last week, just reinstalled it, and that's what I was supposed to make the adjustment on the camera. So I changed everything, and now this is what's happening. I don't know.
Yeah, Flavor 7 has
Like, well, I don't know. I have to find out. Yeah,
that might be something that they have, if they have like something that they use to access your computer, then maybe that's pausing it.
Not that I'm aware. I mean, the only way that they usually access our computers is through like the go-to. Yeah, the go-to assist down there.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
And I don't have it unless,
That should make
yeah. And that's it. Yeah.
Take a look.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
Ay, 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 Denise. Same thing, huh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Still in darkness. It's a veil of darkness. Jeez, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I can see like a silhouette. I mean, literally, it's as if the camera has failed. I can see the faint light of the bulbs to your right shoulder. I can see the silhouette of you there.
Yeah, and it's frozen. It's not even working.
Yeah. Huh. Not good.
No.
Not good. Yeah, pardon me, I don't mean to sound insensitive, Denise. I'm in engineering mode. My mind, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get to where the root cause is here, so don't mind me for being insensitive if I seem that way. It's not intentional. It's not intentional. Definitely not. I just need to get my mind around exactly what's happening here for you. Clearly it's a host issue, and clearly we're having an incompatibility with the camera, and I'll have to get to the bottom of that as to what's happening. But so if we disconnect Denise again, no change in service here, Dan. I'm capturing statistics. I mean, everything, it hasn't changed a bit. Yeah. Yep. I'm going to stop the recording at this point. So if you want to go ahead and just disconnect Denise.
Sure.
I'm just going to watch the network one more time as you do that. And Dan, if you could come back into the other room for a second, just so I can finish this part of the recording, if you can still hear me. There he is.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
Okay. And maybe just give me a little bit of slow-mo with your hands a little bit, just to, yeah, it's tight and right, man. Rendering beautifully.
Even on this end, it looks perfect.
And what are you using for equipment there for your laptop? What is your...
I got a Dell Precision M3800. And it's just a built-in webcam.
What do we use? It's the integrated webcam? You literally use just the integrated one? Wow, that's a really good one. Yeah. Okay, audio's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording real quick. Let me do that.
Sure. Yep.
Basically, just access to the tires. So, probably supposed to the commuter certification, the gold certification, or kind of help us out on the back end with programs and stuff. But all of these
Oh, I have to log in to do it. I'm there as a guest. What am I thinking? Sorry.
Not a problem. Should I bring my laptop back into the other room?
Sure.
And connect from it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Yep.
I'll be there in a minute.
Awesome.
Back end stuff for us. Doing this is going fine. Again, as Rich said, we're working towards building up all those practices already, have access to the whole system systems.
Hey, Alex, I'm back.
Hey, man. So I'm gonna log out real quick so I can stop the recording.
Sure.